Hi and welcome to Market Conversations. Just want to do a quick video on Bed Bath & Beyond. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. Today we are down another 7% and it's been on a decline. It hit a low of 0.3325 today. And the only rally we had was back in January. Tried to break above 7 and then back beginning of February. And ever since then, it's just been selling off. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at some of the news here. So this was yesterday. It says Bed Bath & Beyond shares are trading lower. The company recently entered a $300 million at the market offering program and issued weak fourth quarter guidance. Also, a report suggested Bed Bath & Beyond was sued by ex-CEO Mark Tritton over unpaid severance could also be impacting the stock. So we can see that people are still buying call options and are still buying shares of Bed Bath & Beyond. If we take a quick look at this week's expiration for the 0.5 strike, we have 17,000 volume traded. So I know they're only going for $2, but if this stock doesn't hit 0.5 or above by Thursday, since Friday's a holiday, options will be worthless. So if you are still considering buying call options, I would just go further out in time, maybe January 2025. Just be very cautious because this stock has been extremely volatile, but right now all it can go to is zero. So for me, I think there's more upside. Always invest what you can afford to. At Reddit, BBBY has 60,000 members. We have people just posting good information. You can see people buying more shares of BBBY. We have this person, gut feeling, they cancel the bond deal, they cancel the warrant deal, they will cancel the reverse split. I know the board said a failure to obtain shareholder approval for the reverse split proposal will likely force us to file for bankruptcy, but they also said the board reserves the right to abandon the reverse split proposal without further action by our shareholders at any time before effective date, even if the shareholders approve such amendment at the special meeting. In addition, the board reserves the right, notwithstanding shareholder approval and without further action by the shareholders, to elect not to proceed with the reverse split proposal if at any time before the effective time, the board in its sole discretion. By voting in favor of the reversal split proposal, shareholders are also expressly authorizing the board to determine not to proceed with and abandon the reverse split proposal if it should so decide. There is still a chance that reverse splits can be canceled. And then we go down here. This is the worst case scenario, but I feel it needs to be said. Even if BBBY were to file bankruptcy, the share value can go higher than before bankruptcy. You can see right here, Chapter 11 is an improved organization. Its share price may rise to higher levels than previously witnessed. Let's go ahead and take a look at what people are saying here. Hashtag Revlon and Hertz. So even if they file bankruptcy, there's still a possibility we can try to recover some money if we did get in at a higher price. We take a quick look at this site. Most shorted stocks, we can see that BBBY, it's number one. This was updated March 24th. And we can see the current short interest is 126.42, which is much higher than the previous one, 126.07. Days to cover 1, shares short value 29.32 million, average daily volume 79.55 million. And we can see that AMC and GameStop is not even in the top 10. So I'm hoping that BBBY will be saved by retail investors like they did with GameStop and AMC. If you guys are still looking to get into BBBY, just be very cautious and only invest what you can afford to lose. The best thing to do is just buy common shares if you're planning to hold long term. And also remember that there is a possibility of bankruptcy with BBBY. And if you are going to go for options, I would highly suggest giving yourself plenty of time. We have the 2025 expiration date. That's 808 days until it expires. That gives you a lot of time. And we can see that today, 850 volume traded for the 0.5 strike. And we have the January 2024, which is 8 months from now. They're only $22. But if you want to give yourself another year, $27. So you can see that the options are fairly cheap right now. So that's why I would suggest going further out in time or just buy common shares. And remember, this stock is risky, extremely volatile. Let me know if you have been buying BBY, and thanks for watching.